Bonjour! Comment ça va aujourd'hui? In this video, you'll learn the French verb être, which means to be. It is a very important verb in French. It's like a helping verb, just like to be and to have are in English. Let's learn! C'est parti! Let's start with the subject pronoun, les pronoms personnels. A subject pronoun tells us who is doing the action. Je, I, tu, you. It's informal and it's one person. Il, he, or it. It's masculine. Elle, she, or it, and it's feminine. On means one, we, or people. We'll talk more about this in a second. Nous, oui. Vous, you, but it's plural or it's formal. Il avec un S. Il with an S. They, masculine or mixed. And elle, or elle avec un S, elle with an S, they. It's only for feminine. I just said that tu et vous means you in English. But what is the difference between the two? When do you use tu and when do you use vous? Tu is informal. It is used with friends, family, children, and people your age. Vous is formal. It is used with strangers, adults you don't know, professors, colleagues. It's also used for more than one person, even if they are friends. When in doubt, use vous. It's always better to be more polite. The subject pronoun on. Originally, on means one, or people in general. For instance, en France, on fume. In France, people smoke. But in spoken French, on is very often used to mean we. For instance, on est à Paris. We are in Paris. French speakers prefer on instead of nous because it sounds more natural, it is easier to conjugate, and it is less formal. Attention, even when on means we, the verb is always singular. How do we conjugate the verb être, to be? Je suis, I am. Tu es, you are. Il est, he is. Elle est, she is. On est, one is or we are. Nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes, you are. Ils sont, they are. Some example. Je suis étudiante. I am a student. On est fatigué. We are tired. In conversation, on est is much more common than nous sommes. Il est à Paris. He is in Paris. Nous sommes contents. We are happy. Now, let's practice. Pause the video and complete the sentences with the verb être. And here are the answers. Vous êtes à la maison. Tu es content. On est en classe. Ils sont calmes. Tu es prêt. Nous sommes ensemble. Elles sont contentes. Vous êtes en retard. Did you notice that I never pronounced the S from il, plural, and elle, plural? Do not say ils or elles. That would be incorrect. And that's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Au revoir.